Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a 3 Series Beamer, BMW E90, E91, 92, 93, and we'll show you guys how to find and locate the fuse for the steering column switches. So if your switches do not work, okay, let's say turn signal switch, okay, cruise control switch, and then you have the windshield wiper switch, there is one fuse that regulates all that. And you might think you have a bad switch or a cork spring or something like that, but you don't. So we'll show you where to find it today. In the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on the channel for that BMW, so please subscribe. Many more videos will be made on that thing. So we need to go ahead and open now the glove box compartment, because that's where the fuses are located. You can see that cover will need to go out so we can reach the fuses, so those round things will need to be turned 90 degrees up like that. Okay, this one is already loose. And pull it out. Now we have only one fuse for the steering column switches, and this is fuse number 59. Okay, 59. So if you come on the bottom side, okay, right here, okay, let me focus a little bit better. You can see those fuses right there. Okay, you have the fourth fuse, little one, 1, 2, 3, 4. This fourth one is for the steering column switches. Okay, right there. It's a 5 amp fuse in our case. Yours might be different. BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes on that car, so always double check yours. Get the fuse puller. We'll use the little side and we'll go ahead and remove that fuse now. Okay, perfect. Now let me grab the new one. Okay, yours needs to look like that, not to be blown on the inside. That's what the new one looks like. If you need replacements, you can check out the channel where we get really affordable fuses. Now we'll go ahead and install this one. Okay, make sure that it goes in and where it's supposed to be. Even if you have an empty fuse, you still need to count the fourth hole from left to right. Don't forget that. And later we need to install our fuse puller here. And lastly, we need to install the cover. Okay, it's all the way in. Turn to the right. Okay, and close our glove box. So that will be, guys. If you need help with anything on the channel, just drop a comment below. Thank you for watching us. Give a like, please. We're taking quite a bit of our time to make those videos, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.